Hello everyone, how are you doing? I hope everyone will be fine. So friends, I'm from Jobs in Sydney, Australia, from Facebook page and website sydneyclassified.org. So guys, in this video I will show you how to get jobs in Sydney and how to apply. So it's very easy and simple process. So guys, in this time I will show you today's latest job. So guys, this is new and updated job IT customer support required in Sydney. So let's check out the details and requirement for the job. IT customer support required in Sydney. The opportunity. Right now we have an opportunity for an IT customer support team leader to join us in our end user service team within transport for NSW. This position is a temporary fixed term opportunity for 12 months. The successful applicant must be able to work at all our offices locations with a Great Sydney. This include but is not limited to Parramatta, Metro Park, Mascot, Sydney, CBD and North Sydney. Reporting into the service delivery manager, in this role you will be responsible for supporting our clients and managing a team of IT customer support specialists and officers to deliver quality IT support services to transport clients. With this, you will be responsible for driving the delivery of incident and problem management across IT solution and service delivery. You will be involved in motivating, encouraging and inspiring the development of your team, providing face-to-face support to clients including VIPs and responding to IT escalations, providing leadership and mentoring to ensure the team provides appropriate level of support. Salary and benefit. The salary for this position in transport grade 9 $1,38,670 to $1,55,309 per annum plus superannuation and leave loading. At transport, all people have access to a range of benefit and help balance life at work at home. These include flexible working arrangements, professional development opportunities, health and well-being programs, and a program that helps you stay connected with the work before, during and after parental leave. For more information on employee benefits at TFNSW, please click here. For more information how to apply for a role transport for NSW, please click here. To find out the more transport, please visit this website. So guys, these are the details and requirements for the job. So if anyone interested in this job, so you can easily apply and send your updated CV by use this email address. So guys, you must have a previous experience in relevant field and you must have a graduate in relevant field, then you can easily apply. So guys, I hope you understand. So guys, this link is very helpful for you. So if anyone who can search more jobs related to your criteria and experience, so you can visit our website. In this website, daily basis job update and many other categories job available in the website, so you can easily visit and then apply. So first of all, you will watch this video. This video is very helpful for you to apply job. So guys, I hope you understand. So guys, this is new one job IT system support specialist required in Sydney. So let's check out the details and requirement for the job. IT system support specialist required in Sydney. In this role, you will be required to perform your duties both at customer premises as well as remote work from our offices in Sydney. Sought after IT person at Macquarie Park. Your responsibilities include lead, manage and assist with project-oriented tasks such as client system-wide upgrades, Azure and Microsoft 365 cloud migration, integration and routine updates, servicing multiple clients with diverse IT infrastructure including servers, network, wide area network, cloud integration and Office 365, desktop and laptops hardware and software. Maintain regular written and oral communication with client and their users, remote and on-site troubleshooting and support, assist level 1 and 2 technicians with escalations, lies with users, suppliers, software and hardware vendors. Ideally, your qualification and experience will include at least 5 years of commercial experience in a user-oriented support capacity, relevant territory, education in information technology, Microsoft Certified Associate Expert or MCSE. CompTIA certification is favorable, Network Plus Security and CISA. Strong computer diagnostic skills using logical and methodical process, Microsoft Desktop Operating System and Applications, Microsoft Office 365 Administration, Exchange Online, SharePoint, OneDrive and Teams. Networking technologies, LAN, WAN, TCP, IP, DNS, DHCP, WLAN and VLAN must meet a high level of professional customer service, passion for technology. Familiarity with the following server networking and cloud technologies is advantageous: Microsoft Office 365 Admin, Exchange, SharePoint, OneDrive and Teams, Microsoft Azure, LAS and PaaS resources, Microsoft Office 365 Security and Compliance, Microsoft Windows Server Roles, at DC, GC, GPO, FRS, Hyper-V, RDS, File and Storage Services, Network Policy and Access Service, Print and Documentation Service, Microsoft Exchange, SQL Servers, Sonic Wall, UTM Firewalls, Windows PowerShell Server and Network-based Backup and Security System Monitoring with SNMP and WMI, Basic Scripting Skills, PowerShell, Ruby and HTML. We are looking for someone who has the following skills. Your interaction with our clients is pivotal in this role. We achieve this with super communication skills, both oral and written, excellent people skills and customer service skills, ability to liaise with client on and off site, analytical and logical problem solving skills for identifying and solving technical problems, ability to evaluate critical system and priorities work, ability to understand price performance and client satisfaction with resolving client issues, display motivation and commitment to work without supervision at customer sites, ability to recognize and follow up future upgrades and client needs, high level of professionalism and understanding of the business context, be established in Sydney with their own driver license and car, demonstrate a strong with ethic and contribute to a team environment, must be punctual and well presented at all time, good time management and organizational skills. So guys, these are the details and requirement for the job. So guys, IT system support specialist required in Sydney. So guys, if anyone interested in this job, so you must have a previous experience in relevant field and you must be graduate and these certifications like the MCSE Network Security Plus, then you can eligible for this job and you can easily apply and send your updated CV by send to this email address. So guys, salary and benefit not mentioned in the details, so it will be discussed at the time of interview. So friends, I hope you understand. So it's very easy and simple process. So guys, if anyone interested in this job, so you can easily send your updated profile to this email address. So guys, I hope you understand. So guys, this link is very helpful for you. So if anyone who can search more jobs related to your criteria and experience, so you can visit our website. In this website, daily basis job update and many other categories job available in the website. So you can easily visit and search jobs and you can easily apply. So guys, these link given in the video description on YouTube page and also jobs links available in the description, so you can directly apply for the job. So guys, I hope you understand. So guys, this is new one job, Junior System Administrator required in Sydney. So let's check out the details and requirement for the job. Junior System Administrator required in Sydney. Join an Australian owned and operated entertainment company and become a part of tight-knit IT community. Originating in Australia in the early 90s, this company has continued to thrive and has highlighted a new need within the business, so is now looking to add additional headcount to growing infrastructure IT team in Sydney. The ideal candidate will be highly motivated and advantageous individual looking to further develop their IT career and growing with the one business. You might be individual looking to move into the system administration space after at least 5 years in support. The role: the junior system administrator recruited will be an individual who is experienced is providing level 2 support and is now looking to have exposure to infrastructure and project. This role will be required to provide BAU and project both remotely and on site across various sites and ANZ. The ideal individual for this role is experienced supporting technician minimum 5 years looking to become system administrator. The technologies which will be supported in this role are Active Directory, Outlook, Windows 7, 8 and 10, Office 365, ServiceNow ticketing system, networking, knowledge, TCP, IP, WAN and LAN. The ideal candidate will have the following skill and experience: and minimum 4-year experience in similar role: internal support, experience with Microsoft support, AD, Active Directory, Windows 7, 8 and Office, Outlook, excellent customer service and communication skills, motivated and ongoing personality. So guys, these are the details and requirement for the job. So guys, if anyone interested in this job, so you must have a previous experience in relevant field and you must be graduate in relevant subject, then you can easily apply. So guys, minimum 4-year experience, then you can eligible for this job and you can easily apply. So guys, if anyone interested in this job, so you can easily apply by use this link. So guys, salary and benefits not mentioned in the details, so it will be discussed at the time of interview. So guys, I hope you understand. So guys, this link is very helpful for you. So if anyone who can search more jobs related to your criteria and experience, so you can visit our website. In this website, daily basis job update and many other categories job available in the website, so you can easily visit and you can easily apply for the job. So guys, this link given in the video description on YouTube page and also job link available in the description, so you can directly apply for the job. So guys, I hope you understand these step and process, so it's very easy. So guys, if you like this video, please like, share and comment and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for new updated video notification. So friends, thank you. Thanks for watching.